You know, when you're having one of those days, well, yesterday was one of those days, which happens to be on a Monday for some reason, which is always one of those days. But anyway, left the job yesterday. Well, I said I tried to leave the job, and I had to get the AA out, and I was stranded in the middle. I wish I'd have, I should have put the camera on to show you this, but basically the battery went flat, and it's not charging the battery up. Now the battery light's not on the dashboard at the moment, so I'm wondering if the alternator, because when he came out he says it's definitely not charging, so he put some charge into the battery and he said it'll get you home, so he followed me home to the AA guy. Anyway, we're going to have a look at this today, because obviously if it needs a new alternator I need to get one and get it put on. And I only did the alternator on this not long ago, but it was a second hand one, it wasn't a new one, so it's kind of one of those things, do I put a new one on or do I just, you know, but at the end of the day it's off the road, isn't it, if I don't do it. But there you go, I've just started it up. As you can see, the battery light's not on, so that would be an indication that the alternator is actually working. It's just not getting the power to the battery. So we're going to investigate this now. So I've got my multimeter out ready so I can test it. So we're going to go underneath the van. I've jacked it up already. Jacked up and supported there. Already got a spare lead if I need one. Right. So here we have all the wiring to the alternator. So I think that's a 13mm, I'm not sure. But this is the original wiring, and this failed a while ago, so replaced it with these, and there we go, the light's gone out. So what I'm doing is removing all the wiring and everything that's on the alternator, and then I'm going to connect a new piece of cable, the new one that I've got after I've tested these for continuity, and they appear to be okay, but I'm going to put the new one on and just testing that to make sure that that's working anyway. And I'm going to drop that on. I've put a jump lead down from the negative down to the ground so I can ground the test meter, and I'm just testing it there, and it's reading 4.1 volts, so it's obviously not putting any charge into the battery. So I nipped down to GSF car parts. They had one alternator in stock at this branch. It wasn't too far away from where I live, so I went in here, had a bit of a wait because they were all on the phones inside the office, and there you go, got the new alternator. £120 that alternator costs. It's brand new though, but that will save me a little job not getting a second-hand one again, because that second-hand one hasn't lasted very long, has it? So I'm removing the alternator now, and obviously getting the drive belt off and everything. It's a bit of a fiddly job to do this, because the bolts they're a bit stiff, and obviously it's been on a while as well. So I've got the new alternator. I'm going to try and get it in place, and again this is a little bit fiddly due to the space you've got to work in, but I managed to get it on okay. Tighten the bolts up as best I can, and then get the drive belt back on, and then obviously connect all the wiring and put the cover back on as well. So once we get it all done and tightened up and everything, we'll be testing it to make sure it's putting some voltage into the battery. Now I've already got a voltage meter inside the van anyway, so it's reading a good 12 volts on the voltage meter there. So we start it up and see what's going to happen now, and the voltage should go to about 14.5 ish. Now there is a variation on this one, so if you were to test it at the battery it would probably work, but there you go, the voltage is starting to rise on that meter there, It's at 13.6 at the moment, so it'll probably go up a bit more now. 14.3. There you go. There's nothing running, no fans, anything running. Battery light's gone off at least, that's the main thing, and it's all going. Thanks for watching, guys.